Hey Cyclones, this is part 2 of Tour du Jour, and I would like to introduce you to Mr. Williams. He is our homeschool communicator, and he is standing here in Main Hall, and he is one of the friendly faces you're gonna see right when you come in. So just to reorient us, this is the main office, and we're going down the main hall. Thank you, Mr. Williams. So here is how we would get to the new wing. All right, so remember we came down here in the first tour to get to the cafeteria. And we know it's the cafeteria because there is this half wall right here. And then there's also a sign that says cafeteria. So we're gonna continue walking down this hall. And by the way, here is Miss Fallon's room, 130, okay? Here is, and by the way, you can see signs that say new wing, room 133. Here is part of the band room you do not enter, okay? Here's Miss Armentrout's room, 135, okay? And here is Mr. Canepa. So this is our band room, 132, okay? So that'll tell you that right there. And then there's 137 with Miss Edmondson. All right, so here we are. We're going to the new wing. So we're walking. Here's Miss Howell's room. This is art, okay? And you can see her name is on the wall. So here we're walking, so we're noticing that the building is looking different because this is called the new wing. So this is where the new part of the building is, all right? So just to orient you, we're looking north out the window, okay? So here we are. We've got all these lovely flags. So if you see the flags, you know you are just about into the new wing. And we also have our grow towers here where we're growing lots of yummy veggies. Typically, we've got a live cam going there, and now here is the second floor, the top floor of the new wing, all right? So this currently is the only part of the building that has an elevator, but we only use it if we need it, and that would be if you were on crutches or in a wheelchair. So here are 2 bathrooms, nice bathrooms in the new wing. There's the boys. There's the girls, okay? And right here is one of the doors to guidance. So if you needed to see a guidance counselor or see the registrar, there's the sign that says guidance, and you would go into this door, room 141, okay? So I'm gonna show you real quick what happens. You're gonna come in and say hello to Miss Gerskin, and she is going to greet you in guidance, all right? And so then there's where Miss Baker is, and Mr. Hogan, Miss Fallon, and Miss Moore, okay? So that's guidance. Here is a classroom, so you can see it's got lots of things on the side, and this is Miss Cooper's room, okay? Miss Emily Cooper, all right? And then we're going to continue down the hallway, okay? And here is Miss Scheichel's room, okay? And we're not gonna bother her because she's zooming, okay? Over here is a door to the science office, lovely murals, okay? And that's the Abbott office. And this is Miss Lidzlowski's room right there. So you can see she's got the constellations, the planets, rather, painted on her wall. And then right here, this last room is Miss Best's room, and she's the other 7th grade social studies teacher along with me, okay? So then there's this big window right here, and here is a stairwell. So we're gonna go down the stairs. So this would be the north stairwell in the new wing, and I do not believe that these are up or down. I think they're wide enough that they are just hoping that you stay to the right. In this country, when you're moving forward, you stay to the right, okay? So now we're on the ground floor of the new wing. All right, here we are. And here are some additional classrooms. So you can see that this is the shop. So you're not gonna go into that door. Here's Miss Elliott's room, room 45. This is mostly, I think, where sewing goes on, okay? And then here is also Miss Elliott's room, 43, for fax, if you're gonna take fax. And then this is the door you would enter if you had a class in room 42. And this is for Miss Mackenzie, and she's just we're just doing a tour for our friends who've never been here before, okay? So there we go. So she's got a lot to do to get ready. Okay, so we're continuing on. So this is Mr. Koenig's room. So this is room 40. So this is computer business classes, okay? Here's another set of nice bathrooms. There's the girls and there's the boys. And then this is the nurse's office, okay? So we can see Miss Betty is our nurse, and we are really hoping that you never have to come see the nurse, all right? But here is where you would come if you had to see the nurse. And that's Miss Cheryl, all right? And then Nurse Betty's office is right there. Okay, so we're gonna continue on. So we've just come down this hallway, and we can see there's big doors right here. Again, water fountains, just fill your water bottle. That's also the elevator that you only use if you have a pass to use it. And then if I look out here, I can see that's part of the teacher's parking lot, and I'm looking at the old part of the building, all right? So here I'm looking south. Now I'm gonna head up the stairs. I'm gonna follow directions. And of course, I'm using a video camera, but I'm doing it for a real purpose. No running. We're gonna go up the stairs. So now we're on the south side, south staircase of the new wing. And you're gonna recognize immediately when we get to the top here where we're gonna be. So this is where the plant tower is and the live cam. So to get from the new wing to the old wing, you have to come this direction and pass through this hall again with the flags. I hope this helps you on your education journey.